People often ask the question, is the American dream dead? I believe the moment we stop dreaming, we might as well be. Hi, I'm your host, Craig Sewing, the creator of American Dream TV, a national TV show centered around real estate, lifestyle, and culture. A real show showing you real neighborhoods from real professionals. Today, we're going to take you all across the country, showing you why we live in the greatest country on the planet. Let's get this show started right now. Welcome to the American Dream.
The American Dream.
You're watching The American Dream.
The American Dream.
Showing you the real estate, the lifestyle, the culture.
Let's get this party started right now.
Let's go do this.
It is heating up once again.
We're the Davids going up against the Goliath. Real stories in real neighborhoods with real experts.
The staple of the neighborhood. Can't wait to present it to you.
It's all about lifestyle.
In your community.
That's what this show, The American Dream, is all about. Cheers to your American Dream.
To another episode of The American Dream Austin, a national show that focuses on lifestyle and community. Today, we are going to dive into the northwest part of Austin, the Great Hills community. I'm going to show you what makes it so special, from the homes that line the fairway to the active social community, and of course, we're going to get out there and show you the golf course. I've even asked Rick Arnett to come join us. He's the head pro. He can answer some insider information as well as show us around these 18 holes. And you know what? I'll probably challenge him to a little friendly competition out there. After all, he played in the Senior US Open just a couple of years ago. So if we watch carefully, we'll probably learn a thing or two. All right, let's go explore Great Hills. All right, I got Rick Arnett out here, the head pro of Great Hills, and he did agree to a little friendly competition. But before we go, I just want to ask him a few things about the club here. So Rick, can you tell us, kind of what the culture is like, what the amenities are like? What makes Great Hills a bit different than all the other golf courses in town?
Great Hills is one of the last two member-owned clubs in Austin. So the members make the rules. We answer to a board of directors, the employees do. So it's all about the members all the time. We're all about competition here at Great Hills. We have a ton of events, member events. We just finished our Ryder Cup matches, which is the Daniel McKinney Cup weekend before last, and the Junior Ryder Cup the weekend before that. So we've got a ton of events. I've got member guests going on this next weekend, 5 9-hole matches. It's called the Bravado. So golfers just love competition out at Great Hills.
I've heard you've got a lot of single-digit handicappers. Is that true?
Yes, definitely.
Jeez.
Probably 20 to 25% of our membership is single-digit handicappers, and they range anywhere from 25 years old to 75 years old. So I've got a lot of low handicappers, and that's probably the big reason why the club has been so competitive for so many years. We just celebrated 50 years last year, so we're in our 51st year.
Now, my favorite event is always the Wine and Nine. You have that one?
We've got wine. We've got wine events. We've got Mother's Day out events. We've got men's night, ladies' night. We have Wednesdays. Tomorrow night we'll have Gold Rush night, where if they pull your name out of the hat, it's $500. So if you are not there, you must be present to win. And if that person is not there, $50 added to the pot. So next week be $550. So last week, a guy won. It was up to $750. So got $750 worth of food credit.
That's
Everything's
fun.
good.
That's fun. What do you say we have a little competition on this par 3 here?
Perfect. Hole number 17. Playing a little into the wind today. So 122 yards. I think Nicole, our guest, will have the honor, but Nicole's a good player, played at the University of Texas, so I don't know how much he's playing lately, but maybe more than me.
We'll see. So farthest from the pin buys drinks. Is that a deal?
Perfect.
All right. you so much for giving us the inside scoop to Great Hills today. I had a blast out there on the golf course.
We had a great time. Thank y'all for coming out. I really appreciate it. The golf course is wonderful. The day's beautiful. You can't do anything wrong at Great Hills. Every day is just like this.
Now, let's pay up on that drink you owe me. Well, I think you can see why Great Hills is such a special place. From the homes that line the fairways, to the active social community, to this championship 18-hole golf course. There's truly something for everyone. So thanks for joining me today. I'm Nicole Cooper, your host of The American Dream. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode.
I hope you enjoyed today's episode of The American Dream TV. We created this show to combat negative media, to show that the American Dream is alive and well by showing you real stories in real neighborhoods. Thank you so much for watching the show, and cheers to your American Dream.